Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to Dollar Influencer's new videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The website that I'm about to show you guys is mainly beneficial to women. As you'll see here, it says recruitmymom.co.za, placing highly skilled women with forward-thinking companies. There are two things you can click on: employers and job seekers. You're not going to worry about the employers because you are the person who is actually seeking a job. Hire high caliber skills at competitive rates, perm or freelance, load a job. What makes us unique? Companies trust us to find high caliber skills that deliver results no matter where they work. So if you are a high skilled woman looking to be employed full-time or part-time, this is definitely the website for you. These highly skilled women add value from day one. They work smart and hard and will be a very good asset to the organization. Passionate. We believe remote and flexible working benefits employers and empowers women for better work-life integration. Value driven. We are goal orientated and want only the best outcome for our employers and job seekers. And here they're just giving you a very detailed description. They're just trying to give themselves a very nice look on how it would actually feel to work for them. As it says, we offer a personalized service where excellence is a given. So these are just testimonials and things that they say to just give you a more broader understanding. So now I'm actually going to take you to step by step on how to actually apply and what they actually offer you. It says here, independent contractor services are charged on an hourly or project basis, so you can become a permanent or an hourly virtual assistants. We offer virtual assistants pretty much any single job that you can think about, fixed duration contracts. They even have contracts that you can sign. You can go work at an office or you can do remote working, whatever suits you or whatever you may feel may benefit you. And it says your gender diversity. These jobs are part of gender diversity strategy to attract skilled women into the workplace. So let me take you guys step by step. So I want you to click on the job seekers button. As it says here, this is the application form where you can register, but I'm just going to scroll down and tell you the kind of things that they say before they let you register. It says we place skilled moms, permanent jobs both in the office and remote, contract jobs, fixed duration, freelance and independent contracting jobs, virtual assistant jobs. So if you just scroll down, it'll take you step by step. Register, it's free. That's number one. Number two is verify your email. This is why I always tell you guys to always make sure that your email and password are right. And then after that, you get to complete your CV and then you can apply for jobs. There's a very big variety of jobs that you can apply for here, and you can just check if you meet the requirements, and then other than that, everything else should be fine. And the best part about it is that it's free. So if you're a woman or a mom and you do not have a job and you are looking for something permanent, or you're looking for something hourly that you can make some extra money, go to the office or do it remotely, this is definitely the website for you. So just make sure you follow all of my instructions, guys, and you should be fine. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. The giveaway is still happening on the 26th of November. You know exactly what to do. I am excited. I hope I should be seeing your comment down below and you might stand a chance to win. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.